As a female coming into trading, I didn't just want it to be all about money. I wanted it to be about what other aspects of my life can I fulfill while trading. So trading was really just my medium to fund my studies into metaphysics. So I have so much curiosity about the world and how things work. But when I belong to a corporate and I have to show up at said time, do said things every single day, I can't have that mind space to then explore metaphysics. And now I reached that stage where trading is sort of second nature. You know, it's easy for me to pick up really quickly. Let's say even if I take 2 weeks off, then metaphysics and everything spiritual just comes so easily for me. And I know that there's a lot of people who wonder about everything going on in the world, like what's within, what's without, what else do I not know, but they just don't have that mind freedom and time freedom and maybe physical strength to get through with it. Which is why wherever you are, just start tracking your health, wealth, heart and soul. Like what are you feeding into? You'll find so many blocks of the day that is actually for you to connect to who you want to become, for you to start tapping into the person, that identity that you want to become today. And one day when you're here in this retreat, you take time away, you set aside, this amount of money to invest in yourself, and you will give it meaning. You will start living as if all this work that you have done is already paying you off. And this is what I want the retreat to be about. For you to experience a little taste of what it is when you get back all of your time. Who are you? Are you still trauma dumping on people around you? Are you putting in the time to do the gym workouts that you said you're going to do when you have it? So it's time for you to prove to yourself that you have everything that it takes, mind, body, spirit, to get you to where you want to go. I've traveled a lot, so I know that after a while, I'm just doing the same thing in different places. So what are all these things? What are these foundations that I want to take with me everywhere I go? When the world starts becoming your oyster, who are you when you're bringing you around the entire world? In this retreat, we were just focusing on our health, wealth, heart and soul. Every single day, we have activities that fit our health, like eating clean, going to the gym, waking up at a reasonable time. And then wealth is our trading workshops. And then for heart, spending time with the girls. Lastly, soul, with inner reflection time. For example, when you go to the massage, you're spending time by yourself. And if you're playing a book that is spiritual, then you're also spending time with God. This is the key focus when coming into this 5 days retreat. Honestly, this week's market have just been amazing. All of the points that was marked out were rich, and they all gave specific reaction that I told the girls to look out for. Having that daily, reflection on what the market did and then what are we anticipating now is definitely something that I enjoy doing. We would come into the market and we're like, okay, so right now I'm bearish, but bearish until where? And then previous week's low. And then the next day, previous week's low was taken. And then now what, right? Now I'm bullish. So bullish until where? Here is some new week opening gap that we are looking out for. Why this H1 fair value gap is important is because it happened at 9 a.m. New York timing. And it also covers the new week opening gap. Okay, so left the gap, came back up, resistance, and moved away. So now as price approaches it, I want to see how it reacts. So all of it played out perfectly in sync. And these are all good learning lessons for me as a teacher to be like, this is what you do now. And like I said, every September there is a reawakening for me. Just this retreat itself, we have 4 girls who recently left their jobs and are about to embark onto something new. And having trading is just an additional skill. So in the retreat, we also talked about all my history, on the way to full-time trading. I always had different jobs. So I'm not here to say that 9 to 5 sucks and you shouldn't do any of it. But you should be able to go into it knowing that this is not forever. So every time there's a situation at work, someone who is not in alignment with you, just know that it's temporary because you always have your end goal on something that ultimately fulfills you in the future. And during this retreat, you get to enjoy this whole 5 days, especially during weekdays where no one else is around, in this resort, and it's just us, and every day we just enjoy taking care of ourselves while showing up to the markets when it's time to show up to the markets. And I think something else that I'm so proud of is after I've sent everybody back to their rooms to, just trade, a lot of them actually gathered back together and did their own little group study where different traders are presenting different styles of trading. So not everyone in this retreat are doing the same method as me. Some of them actually brought in their own method, and they would just share it with each other on what are they looking at, what do they expect in the market condition. Yeah, so just watching the girls having that community with each other, respecting each other's craft, all while working towards the same goals is something like I feel like a proud mom. It's also really nice to see the faces of who I'm talking to whenever I'm filming all these videos by myself. So shout out to you girls. Thanks for showing up. It's really such a growth period for me. Like I just felt like the right channel to pull this together, but it's all of your wanting that made me have to pull it into fruition. Like I had no choice, I was just a medium for all of your wanting. So thank you, because this is exactly what I wanted as well. A lot of the girls who are in this retreat are already asking about the next one. And this is something that I don't really see that often when I was doing retreats by myself. Most of the girls are just there for like, okay, one time, and then I know that who knows when I'll ever see you again. They're also feminine, but in this aspect, some of the girls are actually masculine, so they're already like, okay, when's the next time I'm gonna be a feminine female in this trading space? So yeah, it's happening next year, September. In Cape Town, we will be in the middle of a safari, surrounded by animals. There's gonna be like art studio for us to paint, some meditation, house, some gym. Cape Town itself is another time zone, so we will be trading in the middle of the day instead of at night, like here in Krabi. It's like I've already done this for so long, and now I'm just doing it for the people around me. Naturally, have trading as a priority, and then your life, around it will fit everything else. There will be a limited room, so first come, first serve basis. I think there's only about 8 rooms. Maximum, there's only 16 people. I really like this size. Like the past few days, it's just been about 12, 13 girls. And this is a proper size for us to get to know each other all really well. 8 days, 7 nights. And then you could, visit Cape Town before or after based on your own plans. Yeah, so that's gonna be exciting. But let's say if for you personally, Cape Town is somewhere that is a bit too far, I will be planning another one in Philippines, potentially with a special guest. So I will announce it once everything is confirmed. All of the girls that came on this retreat are Asians, and I love the Asian representation of traders, female traders. When we host the other one in Philippines, I'm anticipating for it to also be like female traders, and majority probably be Asians as well. So let's see. I can't wait for what the future holds. Like this is definitely a revelation for me. Like I know trading would take me to places, right? But I never knew of this way as well, like spirituality and trading. So I'm just so grateful to be like wearing this term spiritual, strong and proud. I love the fractals of the market. I love the meaning behind everything, and I love talking about it. Like people around me, people whom I grew up with would probably be like, oh my god, she's on another planet. But when I'm here with the girls, they are all on the same planet as me. Like we're all out of this world together. So this is sort of like an interlude video until I'm back to my regular spiritual posting. But this trip has definitely been really spiritual. I love how we can talk about all these things that are not said to the public, right? All these private studies that we have been studying ourselves, like the Akashic record, astrology, spinal healing. We actually did EFT tapping together so that we know how to release emotions when we're in front of the charts, feeling all kind of overwhelming sensations. And we also did like the sexual transmutation breathing together. Oh, like this is really a dream come true for me. Like every single topic that I'm interested in is being shared, is being like celebrated by everyone here. I've never felt so accepted. And I'm sure like everyone felt that way too. On all the quirkiness that we brought with us is now being like celebrated and revered. I have so much more energy to now just go back and work on my craft, knowing that everyone that I'm speaking to are the right person who needs to hear it at the right time. So I keep working on myself, I keep working on my trading so that I can become a better teacher to then elevate all these females around me. I honestly feel so called to this path, and I'm so grateful that I found it. Like all the odd jobs that I had to do to get here, all of the identity crisis I have to go through, all of the risk that I was taking, all the setbacks that people were like, oh, this is the end of her. Like, no, here I am, you know. I can constantly prove to myself over and over again that I got this. And this is where I think people will find real happiness, not in the $1 million, but in the trust and conviction in themselves. And you can build that from wherever you are. So I'm gonna continue soaking up this energy and this reflection. The next time I see you guys, I will be back to my usual posting esoteric wisdom with trading stuff. So thank you all for sharing this space with me. I hope to see you girls in the next retreat. Okay, one thing, maybe the Cape Town one will be mixed with Michael's group. So we would have like girl sessions and then have like Michael's group, probably guys, over there as well. And then we'll just have like meals together so we can, you know, share with each other like trading psychology, mindset and all that. But at least it's like in South Africa, but we have like men around us. So let's see, who knows? So special guests coming in Philippines retreat, and then potentially merging of my group with Michael's group or another special guest in Cape Town. Ah, I love this. Okay, see you guys. Thanks for watching. As if we're dancing with 1, 2, 3. Summer. Summer is in her summer paradise. Oh my god! Yeah, so efficient. Bye bye.